Megan Fox shares glimpse inside her and Machine Gun Kelly's blended family. It's a family outing for Megan Fox and Machine Gun Kelly. While in Cleveland for the NBA All-Star Game, the actress and fiancé Machine Gun Kelly had a slam dunk date night with his 12-year-old daughter Casey Colson Baker at his 27 Club coffee shop. In sweet pics shared to Megan's Instagram story, the mom of 3 boys is seen wearing a brown crop top, black pants and plaid jacket, which she accessorized with a pair of boots and layered necklaces. Meanwhile, the rapper sported a purple striped sweater, black pants and boots, while Casey, who MGK shares with ex-Emma Cannon, donned a black shirt with a skeleton design, matching leggings, and white sunglasses. Though the 31-year-old works to keep his teen out of the spotlight, he has brought her along as his +1 to the 2021 American Music Awards and a screening of the movie The Last Son in New York last year. Rockstar lifestyle aside, at the end of the day, he's simply dad. One who can't believe the young woman growing up right before his eyes. I was just walking behind my daughter in the airport the other day, and she just has this walk, he said on a December episode of The Drew Barrymore Show. It's this pure bounce. She's so excited for life. She's so young in her life, and I've experienced so much in my life. I just pray to every god that exists that she just keeps that bounce forever, and no one interferes with that, and that I always get to stand back and watch her have that bounce. I will take any amount of torture that would come her way if it can just be on me so that she can keep that forever, because it's worth living for to see that, you know. He continued. Her voice is so sweet, and it's not tainted with, what the world has to offer.